Have you ever noticed how strange it looks when someone is fast asleep and their eyelids part just a little? Instead of staring straight ahead, their eyes seem to roll upward. Kind of creepy, right? But what's really happening behind those closed lids when we drift off? I remember the first time I caught a friend napping with their eyes half open. Honestly, I thought something was wrong. But here's the thing, it's totally normal. Our brains are wired with clever ways to protect us during sleep. When we first fall asleep, our eyes don't just freeze in place. They actually move, depending on the stage of sleep. In light sleep, the eyeballs roll upward and slightly inward. This reflex is called Bell's phenomenon, and it acts like a built-in safety shield. Imagine something touches your eyelid while you're sleeping. Without you even knowing it, your eyes roll upward to protect the cornea, the sensitive front layer. It's your body's silent defense system, keeping your vision safe while you rest. But that's only the beginning. About 90 minutes in, we enter REM sleep, rapid eye movement. This is the famous dream stage. Instead of looking calm, your eyes start darting in every direction, almost like you're watching a movie inside your head. Scientists think these rapid movements are linked to the visual parts of dreams. It's like your eyeballs are acting out the story on a private movie screen. The mystery? We still don't fully know why it happens. When I first read about this in a National Institutes of Health article, it felt like uncovering a hidden world. Even while your body is still, your eyes are alive, projecting a cinema of the mind. Here's another curiosity. Some people actually sleep with their eyes partly open. Doctors call this nocturnal ophthalmos. It can make the upward roll even more obvious. Looks strange, but usually it's harmless unless it causes dryness. So why does this matter? Because even tiny details, like your eyes rolling upward, reveal how carefully our bodies are designed. It's not random. It's a quiet protector, working night after night to keep your vision safe. And here's something to think about. If our eyes are this active during sleep, what else is happening inside the brain that we don't fully understand yet? That's a question scientists are still chasing. If you found this fascinating, share your wildest dream story in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss our next dive into the hidden science of everyday life.